Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use UPBASE for nonprofit project management. Let's jump right in. The first step is to create a project in UPBASE. Simply click on the New Project button, fill in your project's details, and hit Create. This step is crucial as it helps to organize your tasks and teams around a specific goal. Now that we've done that, let's move on to setting up your team. Click on Add Team Members and input their email addresses. The reason we do this is to ensure that everyone who needs to be involved in the project can access it and contribute. Next up, let's talk about tasks. Click on Add Task, describe what needs to be done, assign it to a team member, and set a due date. This helps us because it allows us to break down the project into manageable chunks and keep track of progress. Let me explain why this matters. By assigning tasks, you're creating a clear roadmap for your project. It's like a blueprint, laying out who does what and when. After you've assigned tasks, it's time to set up notifications. Go to Settings, then Notifications, and choose when and how you want to be notified about project updates. This is important because it keeps you in the loop about any changes or progress made in the project. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you set up notifications. UPBASE sends out automatic alerts based on your preferences, keeping everyone on the same page without the need for constant check-ins or meetings. Finally, make use of the dashboard. This is where you can view all your project's information at a glance. It's a great tool for monitoring progress and identifying any potential issues. To wrap up, UPBASE is a powerful tool for managing your nonprofit projects. It helps you stay organized, keep your team aligned, and ensure that your project stays on track. Practice using it, and soon it will feel like second nature. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next tutorial.